Minimouse tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will be the first person to receive my tutorials. Today we're going to focus on spelling and grammar, thesaurus, translation, and word count. Let's go ahead and look at the spelling and grammar. I have pre-typed in a sentence which has a lot of spelling error and a grammar error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two different ways to correct the spelling and grammar error. One of them would be, if you have a spelling error, what you can simply do is put the cursor on the spelling that's spelled wrong. Just right click on it, which will give you options to correct it. So in this case, it's going to be tutorial. I'm just going to click the tutorial and correct that word. So it's corrected. Another way would be, you go under the review tab and click on the spelling and grammar and the proofing, and you will get a dialog box to correct spelling and error. Some cases, computer might recognize some words as spelled wrong, but it's actually right word. In that case, what you can do is simply click ignore once to just ignore it without correcting the spelling. Okay, the next word was spelled wrong would be hardware. So I'm just going to click the change once to correct that word. And the other one, tutorial again, change once and it will change that word. Right now, spelling is done. We are focusing on grammar. So when there's a grammar error, there will be a green underline on the word or a sentence. So in this case, Minimouse tutorial is a YouTube channel. So instead of R, we're going to replace it with is. So I'm just going to change it to is. And there you go. The spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay. So we have finished the spelling and grammar. Next, let's go ahead and look at the thesaurus. Thesaurus basically gives you different words under the same meaning. So if you want to find a word that is repeating itself again in every sentence and you want to know if there's a different word you can put instead of that word, this would be a great tool for it. So basically I have a two sentence written out. One of them would be, we have a really good, delightful day today. I was delightful to see you at the meeting. So in this case, delightful is repeating itself. So I'm just going to change one of the sentence delightful to a different word. In regards to finding the word, I'm just going to highlight the delightful word. So I'm just going to do the first one. We have a really good, delightful day. I'm just going to highlight that first word and click on the thesaurus. It will give you a lot of different words, means the same thing. So we'll just choose pleasant in this case. I'm just going to right click on that word and I can either copy the word or insert it at the same space. So if I click insert, it's going to change the word to pleasant. So let's say if I copy the word, it's just going to copy the word and I can paste it below. I'm just going to right click and paste. There you go. Paste it itself. Okay. So we have really good pleasant day today. I was delightful to see the meeting. Okay, and we can just close the dialog box. Okay, so next we're going to look at the translation. So first, I'm just going to translate these two words. So let's select the hello. I'm just going to simply translate it to a French to see if there's translation. So in here, I have opened up the translation toolbar. So hello is bonjour. So it has given me the translation there. So I can either copy that and just paste it beside it. Oh, sure. So let's say good morning. Since it's two words, we would get two different. So I'm just going to close this toolbar and or we can. So the next word we're going to look at is the good morning. So I'm just going to highlight the word and translate it. So good morning. The good is translated as born or beau, and morning is over here. So it just giving us the bilingual dictionary. Okay. And let's go ahead, close this, and look at the next one, which is the word count. Okay. So in regards to word count, at the bottom of the page, there is a word. It says how many words are in this document, which is 55, and there is 4 pages. If you want a deep explanation on this, we can just click on the word count toolbar. It says 4 pages, 55 words, 276 characters, and with space there is 320 characters, 12 paragraphs, line 88. Okay, so this would be useful if you're doing writing as a job or journalist. This would be a great tool for you. Okay. Okay, guys, this marks our end of the tutorial. Thanks for listening. If you really like the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment so we can post you new videos as you wish. Thank you so much.